angdeng KSA mahang kithek arni KSA inglong phosai hemalong katalon All Assam Sector Sabha second executive meeting Difu Circuit House along Kipadupon Karbi Anglong along Sok Ia Mission Pen Hidialong Sok Ia Kipaklang News time along pen Libil Urban Krupi non beer tang ton pen RJ Tha Difu KSA Inglong Photiri Piasa Hemalong Jakong ni Phai Inkoiras Isi Arni Phokia Brasir Kep Angdeng KSA Mahang Kithek Arni Alir Alon Pen Katalon Don Abirta Nangle Jaimek ateng pen KSA Inglong pho amai phu bijoy BPNC KSA alama ingthur ponlo labang sopi motorcycle pachajeng pon si KSA founder Pratap Chandru Tokpia phat kangthum karnia sai deng pon lapen arni tili isia por pensi longnit pathok lam along rat amai PK padu ponchi KSA Inglong pho pen phokera sir kep angdeng mahang kithek arni Karbi Anglong along longpri adi malong talon dunchi longpri along katalon dunchi adim laki harukhat bokajan Difu lapen hamran along pusi birta longdun Difu longnit along aluhi sarpaman pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang Chitong Dunji lapen phabang jang aluhi aman pen National Federation of New State NFS akong chunbang mati Delhi University Professor Munish Tamang atum Chitong Dunji pusi KSA Inglong phomai phu pen pachini
Central Committee of Peace nitum dak lapen di khu bangga nitum pinia program ang lahan lo longnit KSA advance long original committee tumada si public meeting di lapen ke public meeting ma baji ni por dui lapen la sopra baji si por bangke jitu founder president akai production to bi fan itu bike relevancy kang karni kon patudi sudah pensi itu public meeting ma pangke ko la sunda taksi Karbi Anglong to kanu pusame itu na basi ketalon mang padu sunda taksi 4 regional committees bukajana bangke Romuatalong Sibilo laben ke Haurahat bangke Dokmukalong Sibi laben Hamran regional committee bangke Hamran long Sibi
All Assam District Sahitya Sabha second executive meeting Difu Circuit House along Jakong ni Phai Inkora Isi Arni ke paman Ponapatha Card News along Birta Nangle Labang Somai lon district thom kepra hinia tu nang chitong dun a district tin pen mai phula pension bang tu nang chitong dun Karbi Anglong Sahitya Sabha amai phu Dr Pramananda Rajbongshi pen kechari pon amai along alhi sarpo man pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang la pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council timatum chitong dun mai along district thom kepra hinia tu chitong dun sinon ke bangji arni kosonsi ke mesenji mala pen thanchi mung pado lapen lapu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM bang Somai long lam thike jai pot ki Assam Sahitya Sabha pangtang nang ji lapen nihin petang atke nang chirap chito dun popusi mailok lam thike jai pon pado Bukulia Tarabasa seat farm along Jakong ni Phai Inkoi Arni Sok Ia Mission pen hidialong Sok Ia ke paklang pon birta Card News channel along birta nangle Bukulia along kedo Tarabasa seat farm along Mission pen Sok Ia asai paklang pon hidialong Mission pen Sok Ia ke paklang asai chutike asai kami Amar Singh disosi ingpu Mission pen Sok Ia ke paklang asai long MSc Ram Singh Timuk chutiki sai kam additional director Ram Singh Hanse pen Chenglok pen an sai phol tum chitong dun
और आसाम इज ए पैडी ग्रोन स्टेट तो उसके लिए ये प्रोडक्ट सबसे अच्छा रहेगा और अभी यहाँ पे जो कार्बी आंगलोंग एरिया में जो फर्स्ट टाइम डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन हो रहा है ये क्योंकि ये लोगों को दिखाना है क्योंकि ये कॉन्सेप्ट है
Normalam sopor phan bir tamuing to maniksena
As per orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, the complete draft NRC will be published within 30th of July. At this moment, I wish to inform the public that the draft NRC list that we will be publishing is not the final NRC. It is a draft NRC. That means that applicants who do not find their names in draft NRC will still get a chance to file claims, meaning thereby getting another chance to apply for NRC. During the process of claims, the applicants will get full opportunity to adduce all evidence to prove that they are genuine Indian citizens. As such, applicants not finding their names in draft NRC have no reason to worry. Final NRC, which will be published only after disposal of these claims and objections, will not miss out any genuine Indian citizens. Further, public will also get opportunity to make corrections of errors and spellings, if any, occurring in the draft NRC. Provisions will also be there to file objections against any ineligible entries. I would like to inform the public that filing of claims, objections or corrections is the legal right. Forms for filing claims, objections or corrections will be submitted at the designated NRC Seva Kendras. After some time, we will launch a separate publicity campaign on the manner of submission of forms, their availability and time schedule, etc. NRC officials will also organize meetings and training sessions at various public places to enable the public to participate in the process of claims, objections and corrections.
It is hereby informed to all the repeater candidates of HSLC examination securing 50% marks in repeaters examination can take admission in Arts and Science stream at Kanak Klata Junior College, and those students who secured 45% marks in the same examination can get admission only in Arts stream. Hostel facility is also available for both boys and girls students. Regular candidates can also apply for both Arts and Science stream. For more details, please step in Kanak Plata Junior College, MG Road, Ward number 5, near Shankardev Vidyaniketan, Lanka. Contact number 8638735290 or 8011979888. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining, like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesre alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit adu Thelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihanamo people Tadbir Talong Bangtholo. 16 number Nomati MSC Mate Karbiang Lord Tonamas Council Deputy Chairman Ritesh Ingheri Dengpen, Jakoni Pai Inkoi Arni, Ada Porpai Keba Porpen, Nomati Hawar, Honteron the Pen, Polton Rong Pi Arong Amikar, Kebodet Atumapan, Sorkar Pen Hem, Kapanong Pipon Tanga Hem, Samilang Sobloka Hinpen, Kimrang, Patang Sikang Pupona Birta Nangle. Hem kangpu pon asai long aluhi sarpo aman pen samilang so blok atum ke hapon ateng pen alang lita chutong dun pen bang so sai pachun dun alang lilong samilang so blok pen video mitali katharpi AE Raron Singh terong jai Ganeswar timung accountant Nelson Rong Paratup chutong dun lapen chophaluhi aman pen BTC chairman Jyoti timung Rup Singh pe Harukhat Mondol amai pu Probin teron DSA secretary Thoram Singh Kro Dengaung Bazar committee secretary Prodip Ingti lapen Harukhat Mondol Muhila amai pi Aruti Ingti pe tumta chutong dun Pradhanmantri Awas Yojana Gramin Amendment Beneficiary Hem Kilong Honteron Lapen Polton Rong Pi Arong along PM Ewa Ahem So Kangpo Humtin along Tame Deputy Chairman Ritesh Inghipen Lamthe Jaitekang Alang Lipen Lamthe ki Jaitekang ke Boydet Pupen Sorkar Atu Mathasi PM Ewa Ahem So Nang Pilo Lasi Labang Soy Hem Kachilang Kachipang Thir Nang Jilake Ahem Pual Tumlo Un An Ben Hem Adungarai Keter Lapen ki Thuki Oi Ahormu Bitap Thedet Siak Kimi Lapen ke Ingtat Kachulur Atum Pang thok thap thedet Japan siak kimi an lote nang litum chitim penta ing arpo pusi MSC ing hipen than tekang Bukulia United Karbi Club Hemalong Jakoni Pai Inkoi Arni Langpher Risunim Sot Terang Amhang Tek Ningkan Hini Kechok Katalon Amailo Pachaton Dunsi Volongkom Aji Ponglok Peda Hawar Kedot Athari Mate Non Kiturmi Obi Hirbang Dayaram Tok Bipen Thung Parlopu Hirjer Alwa Thui Kangpu Pona Birta Card News Channel along Birta Nangle mai along LRNA amai pusanju tobi pen mai chiphang phupon si mai ki phalam the LRNA kong chun bang mohon ingti kathar pen si jai ponlo alhi sarpo aman pen ka chitong du nongnam ka chithang aptok bang joysing tokbi chitong dun thung pharlo hirjer alwa thui alhi sarpo joysing tokbi arideng pen si ingpu ponlo an part amai along chopha alhi aman pen rat cycle bang ke shop terang nongnam ka chathang klong rat atum aning ke dog grip obimi here bang mate jambali literary foundation a kong chun bang on teron asu central committee claim bang phu phobesh gogoi AJYCP karbi anglong district a kong chun bang apurwa das karbi lamarjan je parjana bang phu phaiti ingti la pen KEA pen kangbura timong atum chitong dun si ing samjin pen mai pachun ponlo Berta bang gila pan sekal kan mariglo kardom